Hi Lan, do you have a minute?
Hi Tom, yes, I do. What is?
Can you tell me about the step or software development?
Of course, it's easy. There are 5 main steps.
Great. What's the first step?
Step 1 is planning, using about the idea and what the use note.
Okay, and what is step 2?
Step 2 is design. You know how the software look and works.
I see. What about third step?
Step 3 is coding. This is when you write the program.
That is the hard part. What is the step 4?
Step 4 is testing. You check for mistakes and fix them.
And the last step?
Step 5 employment. You give the software to the use.
Thank you, Lan. Now I understand.
You are welcome, Tom. Good luck. Here.